What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today's gonna be hopefully a quick DIY video on this poof. Now, that's what I call it, guys. I don't know the technical home decor name, but I call them those a poof. And I got this one from Goodwill, y'all, for only $4.99. Yes, $5, guys. $5. And it's in pretty good shape. I don't know if it's not coming across on camera. It's a little wear up here, which I'm going to scrub the whole thing and disinfect it my own self. But I really like the details on this. It goes well with my other decor. But I wanted to add either pom-poms or tassels just to give it a little extra pizzazz, but I want it to be optional, and I'll go in more details once I start doing it, but that is somewhat the plan. But I thought it was pretty good shape for $5, y'all. $5, come on, I couldn't pass it up. So let's go into my craft room to see if I can find some supplies that can actually get this DIY started, guys. But here's a close-up look. But I am going to clean it first. But look at the details. I really like that gold and that cream color. Here we go, guys. Okay, guys, I brought the poof in my craft room so I can match the yarn or string, whatever I find up in here. Y'all got stuff everywhere. Okay, guys. Look, I have yarn all the way up there. Supplies everywhere, y'all. I don't think nothing in here. No, I really don't want no ribbon. So, let's go in here. Wait a minute. I think I could use this twine as the string to put my tassels or my pom-poms on. Haven't decided which one, but I think, let's see if we can match this. Because it don't have to be, I'm not really want this to show, but I think I like that look. Let's see. It don't look too bad. I don't think that look too bad. Okay, that's an option. So, of course, I do have yarn. Alrighty. Boy, y'all already see it right there in my face. Man, I put money on it. It's gonna be a perfect match. Oh, I might bring that out too. Come on, guys. Tell me that looked like it was made with this yarn. Oh, yes. With some tassels or pom-poms. Now, I don't know which one I want. Now, I did see something in here that might be a better option. This. Let me see. Brought that back. Oh, yeah. I like this better than the twine. This is that hemp. A hemp thread stuff. I think I got that at Walmart. But this is a better match. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I like that, and it's thinner. Because I really don't want this to be seen, but if it is seen, I think that's a better match. I'm trying to get it so we can look at it better. Oh, yeah. So, remember this? Oh, yeah, I already know. Versus that. Trying to do side by side. Oh, yeah, I like that better. And I just want to show y'all the process of how my design brain works. Y'all, it's trial and error always. So when y'all see stuff in the stores, thrift stores, stuff on sale or whatever, you might like, I don't have nothing to do with it. You know, I don't have any use for it. But you never know. That's why I always buy odd things, especially neutral items. This ain't so much neutral, but items that either you probably ain't gonna see again and it's on sale, y'all better hook it up. So let me begin the pom-poms and tassels, then I'll show you which one I decide. Okay, y'all, this is not gonna be necessarily a tassel DIY video, but I just wanted to show you the basics of how I'm creating my tassels. I got this little piece of cardboard from a packaging that I have, And so then I just have my yarn, which I already saw. So then I just place this yarn. I started in the back. Can y'all see? I started in the back right here. I hold it down. And then I already count that as 1. And then I just start looping it around until I get to 20. And 20 would be the last motion in front. So I start like this, and that's 1. And I end like this. And I'll show you like in 1 second. And see, I wrapped it around 20 times and I ended it in front, like I mentioned. So then, before I take it off the cardboard, I'll show you the next step. Okay, I take the hemp, and that's what I'm using to secure the top. And I measured how much I need, and then I cut how many that I need so they can all be the same length. And then I just take it, I push it underneath it, and then I tie it at the top. I just tie it into a knot, guys, so it can be secure before I take it off the cardboard. And then I cut this string, and then I remove it, and then you'll have this. Then you take your yarn again once you release it from your cardboard, so you can gather it to form the top of the tassel. And you just place it how far down. I usually just do it, what would that be, 1/3 of the tassel of the length that I'm using. And I tie it. Then it end up looking like this. So I tie it once, twice, and then I make a knot in the back. And then it forms my little top of my tassel. And then I cut the remaining yarn. Okay, so once you have your top tied, then you go to the bottom and you just insert the scissors so you can cut the bottom from the loops. Because you know it's still looped, if you can see it. And you just cut it. And once it's cut, then you just even them out. And it's that simple, guys. Then you have your first little tassel. Bam. Cuteness. Okay, y'all. Now, since I finished the tassels, I made 20 of them. And I got some more of the hemp rope. And I measured the pouf to see the circumference of it. And so then I knew I need to still have to tie it around the pouf, so I'm giving myself enough room to give the tie. So that's why I knotted it at the end, and now I'm placing the tassels on the rope. So it's, you know, of course, making like a garland. Now this tassel rope, and you see, is just the top of the tassel, and I'm just knotting it and leaving enough space. But it's movable, guys. And this is not going to be a permanent fixture on my pouf. I just wanted a decor piece that I could add and take off as I see fit. So that's why I didn't want to make it a permanent fixture. But y'all can make y'all's if y'all go this route ever, to make it maybe like using hot glue or even sewing it on. But I didn't want to do that. So we're gonna see how this works. Y'all already know I do trial and error on this on this channel. So I just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. So I'm just tying it onto the rope using the extra from the tassel when I gathered it. So let me finish this and I'll show y'all the finished garland. Okay, I placed all the tassels on the rope. And of course you can move them in the proper space. And then this is the extra I was telling you about, that before I even started, I knotted it because I knew I needed, you know, room to tie it on the actual pouf. So I'm gonna see how it looks and show you guys. So cute. And there you have it, guys. It's completed. Y'all, I'm really impressed about, look how close those tassels match with the fabric. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is like a perfect match. I couldn't, that's too perfect. It literally, in my opinion, y'all could have something else different. Look like it came with the freaking tassels. I'm trying to give y'all some different angles. Different angles. Get them angles. But I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And this project was quicker than I thought it was going to be. I did 20 tassels, and I did it consistently without stopping. Probably would have taken maybe an hour and a half. It really did not take that long to do the tassels. Now, y'all might want to be more detailed, like, wrap it around. I was like, I just wanted some quick little cute tassels. And that's how I did it. So guys, thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Deuces. Oh my God, y'all. Too freaking cute.